Flies, mosquitoes, grubs, aphids, ticks, or gnats can invade your garden and attack your plants. To repel these unwanted insects that can ruin your garden, there are ingredients with repellent properties. Here's some tricks you should try to scare away insects as quickly as possible. Some plants are particularly vulnerable to insects. If you have beautiful plants you want to preserve, know that there are natural remedies for the flying and biting insects lurking in your garden. Here are the 9 natural remedies for flying insects lurking in your garden, but before that, welcome to my channel. 9 natural remedies for lurking insects in your garden. 1. Coconut water. Coconut water is high in minerals and can boost plant growth while keeping insects out of your garden. Pour coconut water over the soil to encourage seed germination and protect that attack your plants. 2. Copper coins. Copper coins can act as fungicide and eliminate insect infestation in your garden. Place the pieces of coins in the soil or on plants to eliminate unwanted fungi. 3. Baking soda. Baking soda is a natural remedy with several uses. To repel rodents and/or pests, simply sprinkle baking soda on plants. Add a few drops of lemon eucalyptus essential oil to eliminate repulsive odors that are difficult to bear. 4. Epsom salt. Epsom salt to fight insects and relieve mosquito bites. Epsom salt is a natural remedy. This homemade repellent blocks moths, termites, fleas, and cockroaches and can soothe insects' bites. If you like to grow plants, consider sprinkling them with Epsom salt to keep insects away from your garden. 5. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a mosquito repellent that can help ward off mosquito infestations. Its repellent properties have also proven very effective at repelling crawling insects. Put a few drops of tea tree oil in a spray bottle and then try spraying the solution in strategic locations throughout your garden. 6. Ground coffee. Ground coffee, a versatile product. Coffee ground are a natural fertilizer that repels certain insects. Can't stand the smell of coffee and can quickly flee when they smell it. 7. Eggshells. Eggshells help fertilize the soil and protect it from insects' pests. Grind eggshell and use them as fertilizer to help your plants grow faster. 8. Balsamic vinegar. Balsamic vinegar is a wonderful home remedy for combating mosquitoes, bed bugs, larvae, and aphids. Pour white vinegar or apple cider vinegar into a spray bottle and add a few drops of peppermint essential oil. Spray this product on your plants to keep insects away. 9. Borax and honey. Borax is an effective insecticide that kills fleas, cockroaches, and ants. Honey is a natural sugar produced by bees that can be used to kill cockroaches, termites, and roaches. Attracted to this food, insects will be unlikely to suspect that it's trapped to eradicate them. To use this repellent, mix borax and honey and place the product in a container, which you can place in strategic locations in your garden. However, precautions should be taken and the product should be kept out the reach of small children and pets, as borax is a potentially toxic ingredient. Thank you for watching. To God be the glory.